Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might want to transfer your assets from Robinhood to Coinbase Pro for more advanced trading options. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase Pro. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving Bitcoin. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Robinhood will prompt you to enter a wallet address. Now, switch over to Coinbase Pro. Log in there and go to your wallet section. Find the specific crypto you want to receive, like Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address. Double-check that it's the correct network. Make sure it's compatible, such as the Bitcoin network itself. Head back to Robinhood and paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of any minimum limits or fees. Robinhood might charge a small fee for this, so review that before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After you confirm, the transfer will be initiated. Depending on the crypto and network congestion, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Keep an eye on your Coinbase Pro account to track the incoming transaction. Pro tip: always verify the wallet address to avoid any costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase Pro in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but always stay cautious in the crypto world. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.